Hello and welcome to the SeedProd YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you just how quick and easy it is to create a really beautiful looking simple gallery in WordPress by using SeedProd. And SeedProd is the #1 drag and drop WordPress website builder where you can create complete WordPress websites from scratch or by using our website kits without ever writing a single line of code. So you can head over to seedprod.com to grab your copy or click the link in the description below. I'm going to be using the pro version for this video. I already have it installed here on a clean installation of WordPress. If you need help installing that, we have documentation as well as videos on the channel to do so. On the left hand side, we have SeedProd installed already. So we have landing pages section and theme builder. The theme builder, we can actually create a full WordPress website from scratch here, or we can click on themes and import one of the pre-made website kits that comes with SeedProd. And there's plenty to choose from here. In this video, we're going to be creating a gallery, and I'm just going to create it on a simple landing page. So we'll go to landing pages on the left hand side here. And SeedProd also has coming soon mode, maintenance mode, login page, and 404 if those interest you as well. Let's go ahead and create a new landing page here. And now you can select one of the new page templates, and there's plenty to choose from here as well. And you can filter them if you like. I'm just going to use the blank template for this example, and I'll give it a page name here. I'll just call this one gallery, and we'll save and start editing the page. I should mention I also uploaded 9 photos early for examples that we can use in the gallery. So here we have a choose your layout. I'm just going to select the single column here, and here we can see one row. We have a section which is purple. We have one row inside there which is blue, and then on the left hand side we can actually search the blocks here for gallery. Now we have two. We have advanced gallery and gallery. I'm going to do another video on the advanced gallery another time. For now, we're going to use gallery and drag this right into the page. And now it's asking you to please add gallery images. Let's go ahead and select that block. And on the left-hand side, let's add gallery images. When we click here, you can select the files that you want to upload here or drag and drop them. I've already done so, so I have the media library. I have 10 uploaded here. I'm just going to select 9. I think I'm going to do rows of 3, and then we'll create a new gallery here. You can also add captions here. I'm going to ignore all this and insert gallery. There you go. We can see all of our images here. So on the left-hand side, we can see all of our images. I'm just going to minimize this and open up the settings section. Here we can see our columns. I'm going to do 3 wide, but you can put that right down to 1, or you can put it up to 10 if you like. For me, I'm going to use 3 for this example. We also have some spacing here, but the first thing I want to do is change my image size to large just so it fills out that spacing. So now that we have 3 columns, I'm going to add the spacing here so you can make this large or small. I'm going to put around 15 pixels here, and you can see the spacing changed in between each one. For the link, I'm going to change this from none to media file, and when you select media file, you'll notice that the lightbox option is available here now. I'm going to select yes for this. And now when you select on an image here, it will open in Lightbox, and you can scan through the images here using the arrows. We also have the order by, either default or random. I'll select random just so it's a little bit different every time you reload the page. And next we can come over to the advanced tab here in the top left. Here's where we can style the gallery a little bit better. Right here we have the shadow on the left hand side. I'm going to go ahead and select a large shadow. You can pick whichever one looks good for you. If you have any text, you can change the text color. I'm going to go ahead and minimize this and open the border. We have the border radius, so this is the curvature on the corners here. I'm going to select 15 for this example. You can change that or not use it at all. It's up to you. Here we have the border style. So if you want a border, you can go ahead and add one. We have solid, dotted, or dashed. So normally I like the crisp look here without the border, but I'm going to go ahead and add a white one. So we need the border width. I'll go ahead and just add 1. And we need to select a color here. So you can select any color that looks good. I'm just going to keep this at white for this example. We also have the image white space padding. Now this is different than the border. It's the space in between the border and the image itself. So here, let me change this to black so you can see an example. And then I'll increase the image white space padding. You can see the padding in between here. So you could actually have it look like a double border or add a little bit of white in there if you like, or maybe complement this with a gray color if you like. So I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to actually put this back to just white and take the image white space off. And I'm going to minimize the image border section. We can open up spacing. We have margin and padding. So this is actually around the whole image gallery here. So if I put, say, for example, 50, there would be 50 at the top. Let me just connect all of these so you can see it on all sides. So if I put 50, you can see there's 50 on all sides of the gallery for margin. And the same thing for padding as well. Great, there you go. I think that looks really good. It's simple, but it's classic and it looks really great. If we want, we can add a headline to this. So maybe you have a portfolio. We'll drag the headline block in here. Let's just go ahead and type portfolio. And I'll go ahead and go to advanced. And here we have typography, color, and text shadow. The first thing I'm going to do is actually add a large text shadow. Let's go with maybe 2 times large, and then I'll change the color to white. So you can kind of see the white text here with this nice background on it. Let's go under edit typography. I'm going to change the font. I'll change it to maybe Montserrat here. and I'll just use the regular. And let's make the font size nice and big. Let's do something like that, 72, just so it's faint and the focus is now just on the images. Great, I think that's all I want to actually do with this. You have spacing as well for this, and attributes for some custom CSS if you want to use that, and some device visibility if you want to hide any of the elements here on the desktop or on mobile. Let's go ahead and save this and preview. There you go. You can see your brand new beautiful image gallery that you can create easily and quickly in SeedProd. And keep in mind, you can create this anywhere on your website. It doesn't have to be just a landing page. This can be anywhere on your home page or side pages or anything you like. So now when we click on one, we also have Lightbox, which you can go through and see all the beautiful images. Now that you know how to create beautiful image galleries in WordPress, why don't you check out this video on how to create text animations in WordPress. This will help take your website designs and styles to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.